Hey, you probably hear someone that you can make money by doing homework or school projects, right? And you thought that's a perfect idea. I am a 12th graduate and I'm a graduate and I'm not getting any kind of work. I'm not making on YouTube. I'm not able to make money through any kind of online platforms. Let me try this. This will be 100% work because everyone is saying this, right? You tried every platforms and you just fail. So I'm going to show you if this is legit or not. So let's start the video. So for you, let me clear you that this platforms is legit, but you can't make money, which they are saying, right, without spending a single penny. That's purely wrong, right? In starting, you saw you think, well, it's legit and you can just make money without anything, only expert tutors and all subjects, and you just have to do the homeworks and you're gonna get paid. But actually, that's a scam. I just be coming on this topic and all these things, and means they are actually paying you, but the point here is what? The point here is this, that they charge you some money. Here, you go to this home page and all the other online, the shitty persons go to tell you these things, right? Sorry, I got the here, right? So you go to this and all online every person shows you this page, right here, that you're gonna get paid when you do how many districts in India and you're gonna pay $1, right? Is it true or not? Let me tell you, please, why it's not true, right? And why you are not going to get paid. Let me I am going to tell you. Because when you come here and you click here and when you and you reach at the last stage, right, when you need to pay, they have to pay you at that particular point of time, what happens is there's a school solver ask you to pay money, $5, $6, $4, something like. They say you first pay us and then give that first test. They ask your credibility and you don't have any kind of credibility results, and then also they're going to ask you to give the first test, which is the English test or other kinds of tests, and they charge money for these tests to give you, right? And if you want to apply here, you need to give these kind of tests and you need to pay in order to that. So that's why it's not legit, and all these persons are not telling you that truth, that you have to pay money first, right? If you want to work here, you have to first of all good knowledge that you know that you can recover these all money, right? You get your ROI first, and then you have to then pay here. That these kind of simple questions doesn't gonna come here. There is a tough questions are always here, right? If you can solve this question, these kind of things, math homework, if you can solve this and you're gonna get paid $10, $5, then comes in an industry. Because if you solve math, you have to give math answer sheet, right? You have to solve maths question papers first, which these school solver prepares. I don't think it's a genuine thing. If you have zero money to start, then I am saying, right? If you have money and you can do this, definitely do this. And if you want to do this, then I will show you this best website for this. That's a check websites out there. The check is perfect, I think. You just have to solve the question. You don't have to pay any shit, right? You just have to fill the forms, do anything, and you will really get paid, right? If you want, let me show you about check also. It comes, right, because my lap is now not hanging laptop, right? So let me show you the check, because check is also something which will work for you. It's here you can see, right, check. It's also a big platform, but this platform I also thought that this will pay me, but it actually asking money. I don't coming in here 24/7 and all this experts Q&A and textbooks questions, and here 14.95 per month, cancel and then that's not for us, that's for those. So we're gonna down, I think. Let's go here. Here, and we're gonna go for, let's check it out, chat money, I think. Click. What happens to us, right? And here, expertise, life, money, moments, handling money and everything. Money moments. It's very simple, right? Just work on check and you're gonna get paid. Check, homework, maths, all maths, internship, maths, all as you can see. But the question, the problem is here the questions comes as very hard questions. You have really had some, right? So right, here it is, right? So don't try in these kind of traps, right? school is already totally in scam, I think. They pay you, but you have to pay them first. So this doesn't make any sense, right, for me. And by the way, there is a new app. I just remember that. The name is the you can tutor English. Like if you are from United States and the Australian countries and anything like Asian, not Asia, right? Then the tutor app English is perfect for you, right? Try that also. I think that's all. I just been giving this review that I was saying like you can make money. That's why I thought I should tell you, right? If you like, please subscribe because right now I have very low subscribers and I need your support. Please help me. I need to do the 1,000 subs. I am begging like this. ठीक है, bye bye.